Nowadays, most of the coders are sending messages stating that, sir, whether AI replace medical coders or not, as I am planning to spend money for CPC certification. And also sometimes experienced coders also sending messages stating that, sir, whether AI replace medical coders or not, and how can I survive from AI? So if you are also having same doubts, please watch this video until the end. So in this video, we will learn when to use AI and when not to use AI, and solid framework for using AI, as well as common AI tools which I will use in daily routine activities while coding. So finally, our topic is, does AI replace medical coders? Basically, AI will not replace medical coders. Okay. AI is a smart tool. So, and it will provide strong assistance to the medical coders. Basically, AI is a not replacement for medical coders. So you no need to worry. You can continue with your coding, but only one thing you need to do is you need to master the subject. For example, if you are a ED coder, you need to master in ED coding. If you are a surgery coder, so you need to master in surgery coding. Wherever you are, which specialty, you need to master the concepts. Why means AI will code the charts, but we will not depend on AI. We need to cross check the AI coding. So in order to cross check, you need to become master about your specialty. As AI can suggest the code, but we can't believe the AI. We need to decide the accuracy of the coding. Next, use AI for learning. So when do we use AI for learning? Use AI to understand concepts, terminology and guidelines. Okay. For example, you have doubt about excludes one. You can ask the AI to explain excludes one or sequencing with example scenarios so that AI can provide the list. And also you can use AI for code lookup practice as well as scenario based learning. Ask for few example scenarios so that AI can provide few example scenarios. If you have any doubts in ICD-10 CPT, HCPCS or guidelines, so you can ask the difference. For example, you have doubt between I10 versus I11 series. So you can ask the AI, what is the difference between I10 series and I11 series? You can use the AI for creating study notes, mnemonics as well as summaries. For example, give me a summary of ICD-10 chapters 1 to 5. So it will give the study notes or summaries. You can use AI for productivity. Like you can create templates, checklist, coding workflow. For example, if you want to send the query, ask AI for query templates or denial reasons. Stay updated. So currently AI is not having the latest updates. For updates, you need to master on your AMA and CMC and other authorized organization related to medical coding. So basically AI provide the updates, but those are previous year. So whenever you want to use the AI for updates, please enter the year. For example, you want 2026 CPT guidelines or CPT updates. You can't enter CPT updates. Directly here you need to enter in the box or search box like I want to understand 2026 CPT updates. So if you provide appropriate question to AI, it will provide appropriate answer. So everything depends on your question. Next, when not to use AI. So don't blindly copy code suggested by AI. As we have discussed, whenever you want to use AI, first you need to check the AI, but you can't depend on that. You need to cross check the AI provided codes. Why means AI means laterality, seventh character or specificity. Don't skip the official guidelines. So as we have discussed, AI will not have latest updates. So whenever you want to code, you need to check the official ICD-10 as well as CPT guidelines. Don't ignore documentation. Whenever you want to use AI, you don't code based on the AI suggested codes. You need to check your documentation. Then based on documentation, we need to code. And also don't forget to use your critical thinking. Okay, so as all of us know, in medical coding we have NCC edits, DRGs, LCDs and payer rules. So AI does not know all these DRGs, NCCs, LCDs and payer rules. You need to master all these things before believing on AI provided CPT or ICD-10 PCS code. So if anyone looking for medical coding jobs in UAE, USA and India, please join in our WhatsApp group. Group link is in the description of this video. And also if anyone looking for same day surgery coding training, cardiology training, SCC coding training, please send WhatsApp message to 707-526-3939. And also don't risk complaints and patient safety. Okay. So if you provide wrong codes, so you will get claim denial and also penalties. Next, don't use the AI as much as possible. Okay. So first you need to check the documentation. You need to code yourself. Then you can take the assistance of AI. You can't or you don't over depends on AI. Just remember one thing. AI is a co-pilot, not the pilot. So you are the pilot. Medical coder is the pilot. So AI is the co-pilot itself. So next we'll see the formula for accurate AI is using coding. So what is the formula here? Good documentation plus AI suggestion plus coder's knowledge plus official guidelines is equal to accurate code and compliance. Okay. Just try to remember one thing. AI gives the speed. Okay. But coder needs to provide the accuracy. And we need to check the checklist for coders. Okay. So whenever you want to use AI, read the documentation completely, understand the clinical context, use AI for suggestion, not decisions. Verify with official sources like CPT Assistant, ICD-10 guidelines, HCPCS coding clinics, and also apply coding conventions and guidelines. Review, validate, and then finalize. Okay. So now we will see common AI tools for medical coders. So you can use ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot for concepts, examples, and explanation. Okay. Cloud AI and Perplexity for research guideline summaries. And Notion AI for study notes and organization. And you can use Google Gemini for quick lookups as well as updates. Use smartly, verify always, code confidently. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If anyone looking for surgery, IPDRG, SCC, CCH training, please contact 707-526-3939.